Hello and welcome friends. Today we are going to talk about one of very commonly asked question that comes in everyone's mind, especially in beginners. Is web development is correct choice as a career in 2024? Most of the time students ask me this question. So many times even experts, those who are working in IT industry, those who are working as a web developer, they are facing such kind of problems. Whether web development is good career options in today's world. In this session, we are going to talk about this particular question and we are going to discuss whether to choose web development as a career for future or not. So without wasting a time, let us discuss about this problem and let us try to understand whether web development is the right choice for future career or not. Please watch this video till the end and share with your friends. Hello, welcome guys. I am Dr. Mukund Kulkarni, working as IT trainer and coach. Last 20 plus years I am giving training on higher end IT topics. In today's session, we are going to talk about a particular question that most of the students are asking right now, whether web development is the right career choice for future or not. So many times students are asking this question, whether we learn these web development skills or not. Now, my simple solution for this is yes. Nowadays, everywhere there is concept called as AI, Gen AI, generative artificial intelligence. And because of that, most of the people, students thinking that we don't need to write a code because it will be generated by AI tool. Yes, no doubt, AI tools are used in IT industry to get lot of things ready-made from different AI tools. For example, if you want to develop any image can be generated by AI. If you want to develop some part of code, a small program, it will be generated by AI. If you want to develop an layout of web page, it will be generated by AI. Even sample websites, web templates will be generated by AI. Then the question comes whether there is a need for a web developer. Answer is yes. Why? Because so many companies, so many different organizations are coming on online platform. They are developing websites. Even few years ago, some businesses don't have their website, but nowadays having online existence is compulsory for every business, and therefore there is a huge demand for web developers. Every company, every organization is developing a small website. Some businesses are coming online. They want to develop web applications for online sales, marketing, funnels, and so many things. Even lot of organizations are working on online platform. They are monitoring their employees. They are monitoring their resources. They are using a lot of things through sharing on online basis, and they need a good quality web application or a mobile application. Now, because of these kinds of changes in industry, there is a huge demand for development of websites and web applications. And therefore, if you see the statistics of need for web developers, there is 8% rise every year. And this statistical data shows that in future also there will be need for good and quality web developers. But see, the things are changing day by day. Few years back, everything has to be developed by a web developer. Web developer has to design, web developer has to create the images, web developer has to generate different layouts, color combinations. Everything has to be done by web developer manually by using different tools like Photoshop, HTML, CSS, and even there are a lot of different editors like front page. It was used in previous days, but nowadays the things are changing. People don't want to spend more time in development. They want a rapid development, and therefore using generative AI is a need of web development. You have to learn different tools. Those are useful to create your website earlier. If you are having a good knowledge of generative AI, then number one, you can develop your website immediately. Number two, you don't need to put your efforts for small and repetitive things. It will be generated automatically. You can create layout and design by using some tools. You can use some concepts of plugins, and you can use some ready-made code template which is supporting your requirement. And third one, you can use your available time and you can focus on the critical things which is expected by your web application. You can refine your product, you can spend more time for its simplicity, you can spend more time for its user friendliness. And if you're using this generative AI, now generative AI is not replacement for web developer, but it is assistant to web developer. And this kind of thinking you should have in your mind. Instead of having a fear about generative AI, use generative AI as your assistant, so that you can increase your productivity, you can increase your creativity, and you can deploy a lot of products in minimum efforts in minimum time. With this I want to say, yes, there are good opportunities in future also. If you are working as a web developer, a lot of companies are giving good payouts. If you can start your career as a web developer in lot of small as well as large industries, or if you want to start your own web development business, then yes, there is a scope. You can get a lot of clients, those are ready to develop their websites and web applications for their future extension. And this is the right time to learn a lot of different ready-made AI based tools to develop websites. Only coding is not sufficient for getting good opportunities in the market. You have to learn different tools, you must have hands on them. You should know how to use AI tools to generate a lot of small things. And very important, you must have a proper logic and practical approach to use these things together to generate best possible solution, most efficient solution for the problem or for the need of your organization. There are a lot of options available in industry to learn web development. You can learn web development by learning from different online platforms available, or if you're interested, you can join my community where I am teaching each and everything regarding web development and digital marketing. Especially if you want to start your own business as a web developer or a digital marketing agency, then I recommend you can join my community where I am sharing a lot of things. I have designed a step-by-step process to learn web development and different tools in fast track mode. It's as like as paying a toll for fastest journey. So you can join my community where you will get lot of different courses designed with crisp and clear knowledge with practical hands, and I have invested my lot of time and efforts to design all those things. I hope this video has given you a lot of value, and I'm sure now if you are in dilemma whether to choose web development as a career option or not, and you have got your answer. If you are really interested in web designing and development, you can choose web development as your career option. Lot of different things are there to learn, and I welcome you in my community. If you are interested, click on a link below and join my web development and digital marketing community. Within 90 days, you can start earning money by implementing the exact roadmap that I have given in my community. If you have got any value from this video, please like the video, share with your friends, and let's meet in another video with such additional information. Bye bye.